embarrassing.
You gotta title it. How many balls can Mikey fit
in his mouth? Let's go.
Because y'all know he likes balls in his mouth.
He's gonna spit that out. No, let me walk away.
Ready? You have to count with me.
Okay, and you can fit one ball. You can fit a pair.
Don't suck on them because then they'll shrink.
3.
3. 4. Man, right now he has a right now in his mouth.
You got 2 pairs.
4.
5 already. 5.
6.
6. Oh, 7. Overachiever. 8. 9. Don't choke, man. 10.
You're chewing
Don't
them
chew.
down, you cheater.
You're moving it around your mouth.
12. 13. 14.
15.
16. 17. 18 right now, he just had sex with 9 people.
Yep. 9 pairs of
19.
balls.
10 people. 21. 22.
Damn, you can fit a lot of balls in your mouth. Woo! That's a lot of balls, babe.
23. 24.
The balls are coming out.
What is that? 12 people. 12 balls. 23. I mean 20. That's 25. 26. 27.
You better eat that.
28. 28. Let's try to make it an even 30. 29. 30.
15 balls. 15 pairs of balls. Is that it, Mikey?
He looks like a monkey even more. Oh, that is so gross.
That is gross. Just throw it in the garbage.
Don't throw it in my garbage. Go in the hallway and throw it away in the other garbage.
He ate it all too. Was it good? Were the balls good, Mikey?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a testimony. Michael Anthony Jordan Munguia enjoys having balls in his mouth.
15 pairs.
We all knew it. Just confirmed.
Yes.
Oh,
You have to say it.
that was cheesy.
He's so stupid.
And